Many times in the OPD I hear the question कि बच्चे को लंच बॉक्स में क्या खाना दे दिया जाए ताकि न्यूट्रिशन भी पूरी हो जाए एंड बच्चे भी लंच बॉक्स फिनिश करके आ जाए. क्योंकि nowadays most of the time what the kids do, they don't like the food, they either distribute it to some other kid or they just throw this in the dustbin. So both are not okay. But there is a challenge from parents side also. Parents should give vegetables, fruits, nuts, but you can camouflage it very easily. Like you can make the dosa or idli with batter which is having some say spinach, or it can contain beetroot, even mashed dal and all in more quantity, so that they can easily eat. Fruits, whenever you are giving, you can make some design and you can put the fruits inside say pancakes batter, or even sometimes in dosa batter, or in paratha also, even stuffed paratha. That's also a very good choice. Kids, they like it also, and it gives them good boost for nutrition. And even you can make veggie wrap, or even sometimes egg or chicken wrap also with veggies, so which will give them good amount of protein and fiber also. So if you just follow these simple hacks, then maybe your kid next time will finish the lunch box.